have my new horse, and it's he has a kid, and I feed it with apples. And look at the diamond horse armor, it's so nice, bro. Okay, he's looking at. Why is he looking at me? Oh my god, it's so sussy. Let's go get this chest. Okay, I have 62 emeralds. I need to trade villagers. I'm super hungry right now. Oh, I forgot I have 24 bread. I need a crafting table. Yeah, you need a crafting table. You need a crafting table. Okay, we have crafting table. So, and we need a sword, and a pickaxe. So now we need to. Oh my god, my diamond horse is there, and his anak. Is he big now? I don't know. It's actually almost big now. Here, an anak horse. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh my god, there's a wandering trader. I'm gonna trade him with. Yeah, I need wood too. Thank you for getting me wood. It's so nice to get wood. Now we need to mine something. Tanawa pa. Tanawa kong horse. Oh, gold na siya, diamond armor. Oh, akong horse. Nalaba si Coffee diri sa Minecraft na eh. Oh, mo ride ra ba siya? Maka-ride ko niya. I need a rock. I need this. I need a furnace. Papa, naunsa mo na pa si Coffee. Oh my god, this has so many coal. Pa, naunsa na si Coffee pa? God, why is there so many coal? What is? I need rocks too. Dali raman ni ma-broken ang kaning wooden pickaxe nako. Pila na ko ka rock. Hala, dara. Nako'y 14. So we need to craft something to get charcoal. Ouch, what was that? Okay, I need charcoal. Thank you for the birch log, bro. This wandering trader just I thought this was an iron sword. My god, what's my brain doing? Compass. Pa, tanawa si Coffee pa. Tanawa. I can craft a whole It's perfect. Chiseled stone bricks. My god, bro. I have so many tools now. I need to charcoal. My god, it's so realistic. Oh my god. Looks like a real thing. Oh, hello horse. It's nice to meet you. Let's go. Let's go ride somewhere. Where do we ride? Oh my god, his anak is there. How about we go to the church? Let's go to the church. Okay. How about this the coal? This coal's here. We need more coal. Si imo din na sungugon si coffee papa. Oh my god, it's only so gamay. It's only 4, bro. Let's go ride. I have a sword and I will defeat everything who blocks my way. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm too scared. Oh my god, let's go. Your mom or dad is here. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh my god, no. No. I didn't mean that. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know how to reach. I'm so really sorry that I'm so noob at finally, bro. Hey, you need to be leashed too. Okay, let's go. Okay, go to here. 2. Okay, here. Now your baby and you is here. Let's go because it's already nighttime. Okay, there's the charcoal. Okay, we got 18. We got 16 charcoals. And coal, put the chest in here. Alright, let's go defeat the... Maybe we need a pickaxe, so... No, there's emeralds and a stick. Okay, how about we kill some mobs to fight my... Oh my god. Oh, it's now big one. It's now a big one. Okay, they're a lead. It's so nice, bro. Hey, yo, what are you doing? What you doing? Oh my god. Oh, let's go. I can't defeat those. Retreat, bro. Oh no. We need food. Bread. Oh yeah. Shit, you skeleton. Hey yo, what are you doing? Hey, you too. Get out of my house. I you'll get punished last night. Okay, you get punished, bro. You're getting punished. Go to your house or I will punish you. Stop. Stop doing that, zombie. You're so sadistic. Okay, you're gonna die now. Now. Gonna die soon. I need to get away. I need food again. I have a chance to get the golden armor. Unbreaking. It's nice. I need to craft another sword. Oh my god, I don't have stone. Stone sword is okay. Now we got it. I'm so scared, bro. I will not fight that skeleton. Get away, monster. Or I'm gonna sleep now. He said get away. He said get away. Monster, just get away, monster. And 3, 2, 1, go. You died. He died. Nothing happened. Oh my god, he didn't drop anything. And that iron golem is so... Oh my goddy. You're gonna die now. Oh my god. Shit, what was that? I died.